Hi, my name is Jorge.
My name is Todd.
My name is Hasan Garcia.
My name is Kristal Romero, and I work for GoNetspeed, and I'm a technician too.
My name is Rick from GoNetspeed, and we're going to be reading off some positive reviews today.
Alrighty, first one from a customer that definitely stood out to me was huge improvement over Xfinity.
Bethany said the tech was wonderful. He was early, polite, professional, and quick. A great first impression from your company. Thank you, Bethany.
The first time in my life that I have been happy with my internet provider. I have 0 complaints.
The technician that came out to do the in-home install was exceptional, great guy, and very knowledgeable. Pay that man.
Everyone from the sales rep to the install person was knowledgeable and friendly. Thank you, Brian C.
The technician was fantastic, prompt, quick, and quiet. Shout out to Paul. Hey, Paul.
Okay, this is a good one. Our installation tech was incredible. He did a fantastic job and explained the process to me, 10 out of 10.
Awesome internet service, reliable, fast, and simple. Thank you, Brittany S.
Hey, this one's about me. Todd was very prompt with installation and clearly explained the service and speed provided. It's always nice to have somebody show us the recognition.
My tech, Jorge, was kind and comforting. This one is me. I appreciate his help and personality. Thank you, customer.
Oh, this one's about me. Your salesman, Dan, and installer, Rick, were very helpful, professional, and made our experience very pleasant.
I want to say thank you to this customer that gave me and one of my coworkers, George, a review. Customer said, Kristal and George were awesome. They finished the job extremely fast and explained everything to me.
Allie, truly thank you.
Thank you, Pamela.
Thank you, Nancy.
Thank you for choosing us. Welcome to GoNetspeed.